Do you sometimes miss important calls because your phone is on silent or vibrate? The routines feature on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra can help. You can automatically highlight calls from specific contact with vibration and edge lighting, even if your phone is mute. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Settings icon. Scroll down the screen, tap Mode and Routine. Now tap Discover, scroll down the screen, under Get the Most Out of Your Phone section, select Never Miss Important Calls. Here you will see preloaded setting. In the If section, tap Incoming Calls, then select from specific colors. Choose the contact you want to highlight, then tap Done button twice. Sound mode is set to mute by default. Next, scroll down the screen. In the End section, tap Edge Lighting Effect once, and then select Spotlight, then tap Done. Vibrate once is set to Basic. At the bottom of the screen, you can tap Edit to customize the routine, tap Share if you want to send it to someone, and finally, tap Save to add it to your routine list. With this routine, when you are in a place or situation where your phone needs to be on silent, you will not miss important calls. The phone will vibrate and show edge lighting, so you can catch those calls even while it's mute. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.